Welcome to Simply Logical, this is Venkatesh. A new word riddle is trending on social media that asks if Penny has 5 children, what the fifth child's name is. The riddle is trending on sites like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You will typically see the riddle in someone's status and it often reads like this. Riddle me this. Penny has 5 children. The first kid is named January, second kid is February, a third is called March, fourth is April. What is the name of the fifth? Feel free to pause the video and try yourself before checking the solution. Do subscribe to the channel for the newest videos watching. Let's everyone know your answer in the comment section. Let's check the solution now. So what is fifth child's name? The answer is what? Fifth child's name is what? Confused? Let me explain the solution. Yes, although you would expect the child's name to be May, the answer to the fifth child's name is actually hidden within the riddle itself. You see, the riddle isn't asking a question at all. It's simply listing the names of children. Her first 4 kids are January, February, March and April, and then what is the name of the fifth child? Sometimes the riddle will end with the advice to read carefully. This is because the last sentence doesn't end with a question mark but with a period, indicating that it's a statement and not a question. It's always a good idea to pay close attention to punctuation when you are answering a riddle. The response to the riddle can also be funny because when people answer, it still looks like they are just asking the question again, which can confuse other people who read the riddle and try to respond. There are other variations to this riddle. I will share 2 of such variations. One such variation is John's mom has 5 kids. The first one is named January, the second one February, third one March, the fourth one April. What is the fifth one's name? In this version, which ends with a question mark, the fifth child's name would be John because riddle starts with John's mom has 5 kids. Another version reads like this. A cat had 3 kittens, January, March and May. What was the mother's name? This version is just like the original. In this case, they are asking about the mother rather than the kitten, but the answer is the same. The mother's name is what? The key point on whether the riddle ends with a period or a question mark. If it ends with a question mark, then you should start it like the second riddle in this story. John's mom has 5 kids and let the answer be John. If it ends without a question mark, then it's a simple riddle where what is the answer. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I will try to address as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.